If you love flowers like myself, today's video is about how I use the fluid art to create these beautiful hyacinth flowers. The colors are so radiant, guys. I use different colors to create these beauty. Check it out, guys. You're gonna love it. Hello everyone, it's Camille. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today I will be working on a 12 by 16 inch gala wrap canvas, and I'm just using some leftover paint from my previous videos doing a hyacinth flower garden. This is what I'm calling this one. You know, using the spoon to create these beautiful design in the hyacinth flower, giving those beautiful petals and stuff like that, guys. So I do hope you check it out. The fluid art is just so innovative. You don't have to use a paintbrush to create beautiful flowers or to create any form of painting whenever you're using the fluid art acrylic pour painting. It's just amazing, you guys. I mean, no need for paintbrush. Sometimes it's just good to think outside the box and create whatever comes to mind. You never know what it's going to turn out to be. This is actually my first time doing a hyacinth flower, but I have created flowers like this, but I decided, give it a try, create a bunch of these petal-like flowers, and yeah, it turned out to look somewhat like the hyacinth. Guys, remember, it's abstract art, and it's just fun. All right, so if you do decide to give this a try, also remember that whenever you're swiping with the spoon, wipe your spoon and then swipe again. Okay, it just gives the flowers that clean look. And just swipe also with the edge of the spoon. You don't need to swipe too hard to expose the black. You just need to pull the paint outwards and create something magnificent. All right, you guys, so I do hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, give this one a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free and it also means the world to me. So you guys go ahead and subscribe, hit the bell, hit all, so that you're notified each time I post a new video. I really do hope you guys enjoy today's content, and don't go away. I will see you for the close-up of the wet result and the dried result. So don't go away, you guys. Thank you so much. Here it is, the close-up of the wet result. I am so in love with these, you guys. You know, using the skewer to pull the lines in to create the petals is just amazing as well. I hope you guys noticed that I was using the back of the skewer to pull the line in, giving that shape of the flower, and then I used Artist Loft white and gold to, you know, create that beautiful center in these flowers. So I hope you guys noticed that as well. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. I really do love it. Give it a thumbs up if you do, you guys, and check out the dried result coming up. And here it is, all dried. It dried well, beautiful piece. Loving the black background, loving the green leaves as well. It's just a beautiful piece, you guys, and I'm so in love with it. Let me know what you think about this one in the comment section below. Give this technique a try. Let me know if you would give this technique a try, and of course, you know, leave me a comment in the comment section below. Is there anything that you guys would love to see me design using the spoon swipe technique? And of course, check out my playlist, and I will see you guys next time on Camile Amoy Art. Bye.